Hello students, this is the second part of the chapter 2 polynomials and the first part is given in the description box. Kindly prefer it. So let's start. This is degree. Now what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable in the given polynomial. That is, if I will take example of 5x squared plus 6x raised to the power 5 plus 4x, then its degree, which means the highest power of the polynomial, will be 5. And if I will take example of here, the degree, which means the highest power of the variables of the polynomial, is 2. And the answer is 2. And if I will take this polynomial, then what will be the degree? The degree will be 2x raised to power 0. We can also write it as, because we know a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. And if we will multiply 2 into 1, then it will become 2. So it is not no value. So the degree of the polynomial is 0. Then the coefficients. We know what are the coefficients. So let's clarify it with the example. This is the example. And here, if I will ask you, what is the coefficient of x squared? Then the coefficient of x squared will be 5. Because the coefficient is the constant before any variable. So the coefficient of x squared is 5. And the coefficient of x is 6. And if I will take example of here, if I have asked you the coefficient of x cubed, then what will be that? As x cubed is not mentioned in the given term, so we will write it by our own. This will become 0x cubed, as 0x cubed has no value in the given polynomial. So, the coefficient of x cubed here will be 0. And the next is quadratic, cubic and linear polynomial. What are these? These are dependent upon the degree of the given polynomial. As I explained that the degree is the highest power of the polynomial. So quadratic. Quadratic is a polynomial whose degree, which means the highest power of the variable of the polynomial, is 2. And linear is a quadratic with whose degree is 1, which means the highest power of the variable of the polynomial here in this term is 1. And if I talk about cubic, then here the degree is 3, which means the highest power of the variable of the polynomial is 3. So if I will take example of, here I have this. Now what will be the degree, which means the highest power of the polynomial is 2 here. Then it will be considered as quadratic. So I will write here as quadratic. If I will take it as, so here the degree, which means the highest power of the polynomial is 3. So it will be considered as cubic, because in cubic the degree is 3. And if I will take example of, then its degree will be 1, because x raised to power 1 will be considered of x only. So it will be of linear. Now let's come to monomial, binomial and trinomial. So what are monomial? These all are dependent upon the number of terms in a polynomial. Like if I have taken 5x, then it will be considered a monomial. Just because in the monomial, the polynomial consists of only one term. And the next is 6x plus 5. Then it will be considered of binomial, because in the binomial, the number of terms are only 2 in the given polynomial. And if I will take example of 4x plus 5 plus 6x, then it will be considered trinomial, because in the trinomial, the number of terms in the polynomial are 3.